Hi, I'm Adam Mattis with Sterling Machinery Exchange here in South El Monte, California, just 20 minutes east of Los Angeles, California, with over 2,000 new and used machine tools in stock, such as press brakes, shears, grinders, lathes, mills, saws, and much more. Today I'm going to show you a nice 37-inch AEM belt sander. This is the same as a time saver type belt sander. Has a conveyor that's going to lead your material in. This only works on flat pieces. Flat sheet metal or flat pieces. It can't really get into any of the grooves. We do have other sanders, of course, for that as well. So this will go ahead and bring your piece in flat. There's a belt in there that's vertical. That belt you can change to different grits for different finishes, and it basically, they just push against each other parallel and it goes on through, or perpendicular rather. This machine also comes with a paper filter coolant system. This will keep the dust down really low. Also keep everything down for any flammable problems with aluminums or any other materials. It also has a nice blower that comes with it. This unit comes complete with the Quick Panel Junior. This is a digital color touchscreen controller. There's a PLC control running this whole machine, including all the filters and everything. It has a nice little scale here. It's going to tell you where you're at from 0 to 8 inches. As well as a load meter to show what pressure you're using. We'll go ahead and start the machine. It gets a little bit loud, so I'll go ahead and run it through, just show you the parts of it, and we'll go from there. So as I say, everything starts here from the controller. We can go ahead and start the conveyor. The conveyor is controlled right here. We can increase or decrease the speed. And it shows you really nicely in here. Right now we're about 20 feet per minute. And of course, let's increase it. And there you go, about 30. We'll go ahead and start the head. The machine has a tracking unit inside of it that's going to keep the belt straight. The machine will feed the parts through, comes out the other side. All the rollers on this machine are in really nice condition. If you want to come through over here, I'll go ahead and show you the inside of the machine. This is where the belt is vertical. This is also where the air tracking is, the hydraulic tracking. This is your tracking unit. Here's your adjustment, and you got your vertical belts going. I'll also show you this paper filter coolant system. We've got all the manuals on the machine, schematics, PLC control information, as well as all the vendors on the particular pieces in here, where they came from and who made them. This also comes with some rolls of paper for you. This paper is going to roll through the coolant system, keep everything nice and clean, keep the dust down. And that's about it for this one. This is a nice one. We do have other ones that have wet dust collectors rather than the paper filter system built in. They're a little bit more expensive, or a little bit less money. This is a nicer, heavier duty one made for real production work. If you're interested in this machine, please give us a call, 626-444-0311, or check out our website at sterlingmachinery.com. Thank you.
Sterling Machinery sells all types of metalworking, fabricating, and chip-making machinery, such as lathes, metal shears, press brakes, punch presses, punches, grinders, milling machines, saws, plate rolls, iron workers, inspection equipment, welders, and much more. Sterling Machinery is one of the largest stocking dealers of new and used machine tools in the United States. You can view over 2,000 machine tools available for inspection on our floor, or visit www.sterlingmachinery.com to view all machine specifications, photos, videos, prices, and buyer's guides for all types of equipment. If you can't find the machine you're looking for, please give us a call at 626-444-0311 and our educated staff can find the right machine for you. Do you have surplus equipment for sale? From one machine to entire shops, Sterling Machinery buys all types of equipment. Please contact us today. Thank you, and we hope to see you soon. To view more helpful videos along with how-to videos and machinery for sale, please visit www.machinerytube.com, the web's premier machinery video site.